Tonight, my sprockets, we shall dance. We shall do the dance of the Kansas City style barbecue pork loin adapt table. Get it? Adapt table. Adapt to it. That's so funny. Hee hee hee. Yeah, that's what we're griddling tonight. And you can't see it, but I'm behind your back cutting open the package. And yeah, lots of excitement there. Package opening. So that's what it looks like. Let's plop it on the griddle. I've got it at medium low. Last time I cooked something like this on the griddle, I put it on a rack, and it really wasn't the best idea. It took way too long. You live and you learn. So, right in the middle, right on the griddle, and don't go away. We're gonna put a party hat on it. Ding, ding. Will it fit? Yes, it'll fit. That'll help create some steam action. And it's gonna take a while, and I'm not gonna make you sit through 16 hours of staring at a cover. So we'll give you a break, and we'll come back when something exciting is going on. Hi again. Look at that. Things have changed. I flipped it over once. And let's, out of curiosity, let's check the temperature. It's 100 already. And we want it up to 140, so it's 110 there. It's actually moving along pretty good. That's cool, cool, cool. Let's flip it. Look at that. Smells good. It looks good. I mean, it was cheap because I like buying stuff cheap. Give it a little bit of steam action, and I'll let you know if something else happens. Welcome back. Let's take a look, shall we? I washed my knife. Whoa. Can you smell it? Can you smell it? I can smell it. Oh. It's done. That fast. Hot dog. So, we'll, let's turn off this side. We'll keep the lid on, keep it warm, but man cannot live on pork loin alone. Sometimes he needs veggies. We got some Southwest, the ultimate Southwest blend. Corn, black beans, mild poblano chilies, red peppers, roasted onions. Yay! So we'll just, more beans than I expected. Yay! Yay, beans! Toss that. It fell off the edge. Can one of y'all pick that up for me? Throw on some veggie oil. Should only take a couple minutes. That cooks way, blah, blah, blah. way faster than I expected. So, yeah. I got my dollar store tin thing for the meat. I got a pretty bowl for the veggies. Yep, they're cooking up quick. The peppers smell really good. What are you? I don't know. They'll have a little bit of the pork flavoring because this is where I cook the pork. But that's good. It'll give them extra flavor. That would go good on Southwest veggies. Maybe. Some generic Mrs. Dash. Ooh. How about some chili lime? This goes good on like everything. Really good on corn on the cob. Yeah, you should ought to do it, I think. What do you think? I think so too. So we'll make sure it gets all tossed and turned and heated up. We'll, I'm going to go ahead and pull the meat off. Is that okay with you? Don't want it to overheat, but oh man, it's smelling good. Wait, would you like a close-up, you say? Oh, hello, lovely assistant. Hello. Excuse me while I get a kiss. Hi, supper's almost ready.
I see that.
We're going to do an extreme close-up.
Okay, that's fine.
Would you like an extreme close-up? Ah, close up. Doesn't that look good? Veggies, yum. Ah, close up. So that's supper for tonight. It's almost done. The sun is setting, and we'll let you go now. Thanks for watching. Hope you come back again, and we'll talk to you later. Bye!